Hey guys, it's Slime Club Friends, and today we're just taking another video. Okay, so what's glue I'm going to use is, and I'll just be back this a minute. I'll be picking glue. No, just picking glue. Okay, so I got this Elmer's white glue right here. Tomorrow I'll use this.
Farty pants.
And I didn't really toot.
Tootie pants.
Stop it. And I'll make it colorful. I'll be adding something else to make it colorful. Only thing I use for white glue, only just add paint because I just want to add a color to it.
Use your little spoon. It's okay, you already used it. On that napkin there. There you go. Watch your sleeve. Pull it all the way out. There you go. You want to add slime activator this time?
Yeah. Be adding some.
Contact solution, baking soda.
Really fluffy. sister? Mom, can you add some more contact solution? Hey, don't! You're gonna kill it. It'll be all your fault if you killed it, Mommy.
Nope, it won't be my fault. It'll be all yours because it's your fluffy slime, right, everybody? It's her slime.
Getting all the slime. I love this slime. Even I got my American Girl over. Even, do you remember the YouTube videos called It's Chloe's American Girl Doll channel? Those are ones of my favorite videos, guys. Definitely, yeah. I watch those all the time. I'm Slime Club friends, so
Subscribe.
make sure you subscribe.
And she is going to be going here soon.
It should be always been leaving South Carolina.
Hmm? We're moving south
Moving south, so
in a couple months.
okay.
We'll move into warmer weather, warmer winters.
I just want to look
Yay.
and see if you guys, any of you guys commented. Because all of you guys are awesome.
Yeah. And she likes having all you as
If you guys
subscribers.
subscribed, if you guys comment down below or press the like button, I'll give you guys giveaway slime.
Yeah,
I'll
okay.
get slime away to all of you guys.
She's only kidding.
Just comment down below. Where you
Okay.
live.
And talk to you later, right?
Talk to you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you comment down below. Subscribe for my channel. Bye, everyone.